Hello everyone. Now the third part of the story, chapter 1, The Mice That Ate Iron begins here. All the villagers gathered around Mani Ram and asked him to tell the truth. Mani Ram's reply left everyone except Lakshman mystified. Now what is the meaning of mystified? Confused. Everyone gathered around Mani Ram and they asked him to tell the truth. When he replied, everyone was confused except Lakshman. His mice ate up my iron scales and I didn't raise a hue and cry. But when a hawk carries away his son, why does he say I lie? He told to everyone that Lakshman told me that mice ate up my iron scales. At that time I did not created a mess. I did not raise a hue and cry. I did not make a fuss. But when I told him that a hawk carried his son away, then why he is saying that I am telling a lie? The Sarpanch realized at once that there was more to the story than what Lakshman had said. He spoke kindly to Mani Ram. Now, after Mani Ram told this, he understood. The Sarpanch understood the story. Mani Ram, instead of talking in riddles, why don't you tell me what happened? He said to Mani Ram, why are you talking in riddles? Tell me the story, tell me the truth. Mani Ram told the Sarpanch and the assembled villagers how his friend had tried to cheat him. Assembled means gathered. The villagers which were gathered there, he told everyone how his friend Lakshman tried to cheat him. If mice could eat my iron scales, then why can't a hawk fly away with the boy? He told that if mice can eat iron scales, then why cannot a hawk bird fly away with the boy? The Sarpanch spoke sternly to Lakshman. Sternly means strictly. He spoke strictly to Lakshman. Lakshman, you cheated Mani Ram and stole his scales. Return them to him immediately. Your son is safe and sound in my house. I will bring him right away. I just wanted to teach you a lesson, said Mani Ram. Now, Sarpanch asked Lakshman to give back his iron scales. And then Mani Ram said to Lakshman that I have kept your son safely in my house. Don't worry. I just wanted to teach you a lesson. Then Lakshman said, please forgive me. I have been greedy. I have learnt my lesson now. Now Lakshman realized that he would have been greedy and he said that, please forgive me.